Welcome to the YouTube channel of Enviro Annotations, India's first environmental weekly newspaper. The Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, Wildlife, and the Chief Wildlife Warden of Andhra Pradesh had submitted a report before the National Green Tribunal in the matter pertaining to original application number 358/2024. Based on a report published in the Hindu newspaper dated 22nd March 2024, titled Depleting water level forces leopards to stray out of forests, the NGT Principal Bench has registered a moto case. The newspaper report highlighted the unfortunate deaths of 3 leopards in the undivided Ananthapuramu district of Andhra Pradesh within a span of 45 days. Experts attribute these casualties to the diminishing water resources in the wild exacerbated by soaring mercury levels. Is it anyhow linked to the in-trend madman across the water or havana syndrome? No. Then, for more details and regular news updates, avail a paid subscription on our website. The link is given below in the description. The PCCF's reports reveals that the fact of these incidents occurred far from the forest areas indicates that the animals ventured into human habitations in search of sustenance. According to the report submitted by the PCCF, the incidents under scrutiny include the death of a male leopard near the RTO checkpost on Srinagar-Kanyakumari National Highway NH44 in Penukonda range of Sri Satya Sai district on 6th February 2024. Despite efforts by the forest personnel and local veterinarians, the leopard succumbed to injuries sustained from a road accident. Similarly, a female leopard was found deceased outside the reserved forest areas in Kalyan Durg range on 18th March 2024 due to asphyxia resulting from lung congestion. Another male leopard met a tragic fate due to electrocution near Marutla south beat of Ananthapuramu range on 19th March 2024. The said incident took place with electric shock. While the leopard was trying to climb the transformer, get into touch with the electrical wires. Electricity department has been addressed by the district forest officer Ananthapuramu to insulate such vulnerable points in the vicinity of the forest so that such incidents can be avoided in future. All steps are being taken to all such vulnerable points and a list will be shared with the electricity department for precautionary measures, says the PCCF. The forest department has reportedly initiated investigations into these incidents under the provisions of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Additionally, measures such as awareness programs among villagers, regular water supply to saucer pits, and a dedicated team for wildlife conservation are being undertaken to mitigate human-wildlife conflicts and ensure the protection of endangered species like leopards, sloth bears, and blackbucks in the region. The report underscores the presence of a thriving wildlife population in the Ananthapuramu district of Andhra Pradesh, comprising species such as leopards, sloth bears, blackbucks, wild boars, spotted deers, peacocks, jackals, and Indian wolves. Notably, the leopard population in Andhra Pradesh is on the rise, claims the PCCF's report, as indicated by the status of Leopards in India 2022 report released by the National Tiger Conservation Authority. Despite the historical challenges of scarcity of rainfall and drought in the Ananthapuramu district, the leopard population is gradually increasing. This positive trend is attributed to the implementation of enhanced protection and habitat improvement measures by the Forest Department, says the PCCF's report. As the case proceeds before the NGT, the respondents pledge to abide by all directions and regulations in the interest of environmental preservation and wildlife protection. However, the critical question remains, does the statement made by the PCCF refute the media report? This is particularly relevant given that all the reported deaths occur outside forested areas or efforts of leopards moving out of the forests. Thus, the inquiry arises, how does the PCCF's report address the assertion that leopard movements outside the forest are not driven by a search for water? According to the PCCF's report, the case was listed for admission on 15th April 2024. However, all the matters listed on 15th April 2024 were postponed to various other dates, and there was no trace of listing of original application number 358 of 2024. So that's all in this post. We will try to bring more updates on this. Let's know your comments and share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it now. Before I close, I would again like to tell you that do avail a paid subscription on enviroannotations.com and stay updated. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.